Hi, this is Matthew from Apple Certified Mac Specialist YouTube channel again. Just wanted to give you a few things on the updates. There's a new update today on the macOS, as well as your iOS. It's always a good idea to update, security being one of them, and the other background elements. I would always suggest, been using Mac now for over 30 years, that it's always a good idea to update as soon as possible to keep up to the latest and the latest updates that you possibly can have, specifically when working with your connectivities, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and so forth and so on. Even, for example, the old Catalina, there was also recently updated on Safari. So those kind of things are essential and a must for any Apple user. I would recommend it, and as I said, here are just your ways to get to it. You're going through your system preferences. I haven't used, for example, automatically update, but you can if you so desire. I just want to control that particular factor, when and where and how, so that I know when it comes in, and so forth and so on. But I hope this was helpful, and please don't forget to like below and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Well, again, I'll hope to see you in our next episode. Thanks for now. Ciao.